All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Going to do a quick morning market analysis here because we have the 10 a.m. giveaway coming up here shortly. So as you come on, if you want to say hello, let me know who you are and what part of the world you're tuning in from. That would be great. And if you want market analysis like this for the crypto markets on your push to your smartphone or send to your inbox, follow me on Facebook or x.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, we're going to be taking a look at a chart called the MA Momentum. It stands for Moving Average Momentum. And this chart setup is one that's super good at identifying the overall probability of a coin, taking a bigger picture view of a coin or an asset. In this case, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin. Hey, welcome, man. Good to have you, Mike. Yeah, you are traveling all over the U.S. You're going to hit all 50 states, I think. Okay, so let's go over here and take a look. For those who are members of iCoinPro, you can go to my iCoinPro training, go to Micro Profit System Part 3, hit go, and go to the MA Momentum, Moving Average Momentum training. This training will take you about 40 minutes to do. You can do it at any point in your 1-week course, all right? Now, for if you are in your iCoinPro trading portal, which is our custom software that we built from the ground up, nobody else has this. You can go in and click that caret and then click load chart layout and click on MA Momentum, and that'll pull up this chart setup for you. So blowing this thing up full screen, let's take a look at this. These red and green things are what are called candles. Candles are showing you what's happening with the price action, in this case for an entire day. Each of these candles represents one entire day's worth of trading. And these other lines here, this purple, maroon, yellow, green, etc., these are moving averages. So they show areas of potential support or resistance for whatever asset you're looking at. This shaded area is called the Bollinger Band, all right? And just quickly, when the price action is trading above all of these moving averages, in particular trading above this light purple moving average, we are potentially in a bullish market and almost definitely not in a bear market. But on the flip side, if we are trading below all of these moving averages, and in particular getting stuck below this light purple moving average, then we are potentially in a bearish market and almost definitely not in a bull market. So where are we now? We are potentially turning bearish, but we're not sure yet. We're getting a little bit of a bounce here off of the, it's called the smooth moving average 150, this purple line. It looks like we have reclaimed the MA 200, which is good. So we're going to want to try to stay trading above that. But key levels to watch out for here, what would be really good is if we can quickly get back and above this one, the yellow one, the SMMA, smooth moving average 100, and start trading above that, which would put us over 86,000 would be really good right now. If we did it quickly and got a quick reversal on this candle, that would probably get the market pretty excited. But for right now, it looks like 80-81 is the key battleground to stay above. On the downside, we've got 78,000 is the low resistance. So that's the key areas right now. We got to get above 86, stay above 81, and obviously not lose 78. That would be really, really bad, but could happen. I mean, anything can happen right now. Because this is, multiple days of selling outside of the Bollinger Band. Again, we can get retraces up, but when this starts to open up like this and we're trading outside of the Bollinger Band, it's a bit different. Like over here, we only extended out about 11%. Oh, shoot, I hate when it does that. 11% outside of the Bollinger Band. Here, we are, again, we dropped all the way down to 14% outside of the Bollinger Band. anyway, we'll just have to see. I mean, you just don't know, but those are the key levels. Definitely 80, 81. Below that is 78. And then reclaiming 86 would be really, really good at this point. We got to look at where the longs and shorts are. The longs are people betting Bitcoin's going up, usually with leverage. Shorts are people betting Bitcoin's going down. Again, longs make money when the price goes up. Shorts make money when the price goes down. We are still 70% long right now. So that is not good, man. I want to see these longs ease off, because if the longs keep, start going back up again and the price starts dripping and dropping and dripping and dropping again, we still have the potential for what's called a long squeeze. We still haven't really seen it yet. A long squeeze can produce a pretty dramatic drop in price in a short period of time. This was a long squeeze here. It was a 16% drop in one day. We're just getting kind of a slow bleed out so far. So I'm worried that this selling can be building up momentum to what I call a selling crescendo. That's where the big squeeze, long squeeze happens. And what a long squeeze is where all the people who are betting Bitcoin are going up, the longs, get liquidated en masse. They blow out their accounts, and it can cause a cascading sell-off effect as all of those 70% plus of people who are overconfident that we're going up start to get liquidated. Because when you're using leverage, you can get liquidated. Okay, that's where you hear people blowing out accounts. I don't teach leverage in my system. We don't need it because we have a secret way. It's like leverage trading, but you don't have to leverage your account and expose yourself to the risk. Call it the buddy coin system. Anyway, we're still not out of the woods, guys. So if you see the price just starting to free fall down, then we are hitting the long squeeze. All right, potentially. All right, cool. So that's where we're at. We'll just have to see what happens here next. So let's look at the coins that are hot or not to trade. So currently, we've got this one called ERN. So this one, again, is a lower volume coin, so more conservative positions. A nice, 20% recovery there. So smaller position sizes could be fun to trade. CLV is one I'm going to be watching now. It just had a nice 32% move. Volume is actually better. So CLV is kind of at the top of my list. The other thing about CLV is, traders are silly. They just look at, it's 3.5 cents. Oh my gosh, it was once $2.81. It's a steal. Whether or not it's a steal or not, who the heck knows? But they think like that, right? So they get silly and might start throwing some money at it, and that can cause the price to go up. So potentially, again, the price can go down infinitely, of course. Okay, a couple things here. Hey, Dean, good to have you on. Morning, Dane. Welcome. Yeah, 46 states so far. Well done, dude. Wow, that's crazy. All right, good morning, Troy. Yeah, I know. Let's go. Let's get the long squeeze happening, right? Let's do it. All right, Dean. Yeah, that's awesome, man. Congrats. Well done on ERN. I think that's what you were trading this morning. Probably a little 1 minute madness in there. All right. So yes. So coins that are hot. We've got, let's see what IOTX is doing. If we've got some good noisiness. Noisiness means it's going down, going back up, going down, going back up. Yep, 15% return. Another 38. Wow, IOTX. Let's see. IOTX might be one of these ones. Yeah, they're all looking at it. They're going like, it was 49 cents. We're at 3 cents. It's my 100x coin. Who knows? All right. So so CLV's top because of the volume. Then Trump coin I have been trading a bit, and definitely again setting lower lows. So this is my other coin that I'm really liking for trading with our system. So I'm doing Trump, CLV, and then probably ERN just based on the movement that's happening there. This was a pretty big return, or IOTX. Honestly, I'd probably be more hot let's see what this thing just said. Yeah, I'm a little more keen on IOTX because it's already cycled. You see what I'm saying? We've already had some dip sequences. So I'm going to say Trump, CLV, IOTX. But again, if ERN gets another big, huge dump, I'm probably going to be all over that as well. Just let our software will figure out what's going on and what's hot to trade. Our software crawls everything. It's the all-seeing eye of crypto. So we know exactly when things are pumping, dumping, blowing up, all that stuff, and it comes right to our smartphone. One thing I do want to mention for those who have our system, make sure to clear out your lists, okay? Clear them out generally once every 24 hours. And then let the software do its job and find you, what's hot in real time, okay? So you'll get notifications, popping up on your phone, and it'll show you like this. Here you go. I'll show you guys this. It'll show you exactly what's happening in real time, like these notifications here. All right. So we got the all-seeing eye of crypto. It knows everything that's happening. All right, everybody, that's all I've got this morning. Again, if you want to learn how to trade these crazy crypto markets, you can go ahead and get back with the person who introduced you to iCoinPro or shared this video with you. They can get you a free boot camp. Or if you can send an email to support@icoinpro.com and they can figure out who referred you or get you a referrer and get you the free boot camp. And then last thing, if you want market analysis like this pretty much on the daily to your inbox, just go ahead and follow me on Facebook or x.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, everybody, take care, and let's see what happens today in these crazy crypto markets. All right, bye-bye, everybody.